Welcome again. Please go through this question before you sit your WASSCE 2026 mathematics paper. We have this question. In a geometric sequence, the first term is 2 and then the common ratio is 3. Let's outline the various important points. What is the sum of the first 4 terms? So our goal is to find the sum of the first 4 terms. But here, what do you do? Take your time and listen carefully. We are supposed to use a formula to simplify the sum of the first 4 terms of a geometric sequence. Anytime we have the ratio to be more than 1, here the ratio is more than 1, which is 3. That is our R. Then it means our R is 3, the number of ratio, and is 4. Right, and our first term, we know A is 2. We use this formula, that is, the sum Sn is equal to A into bracket R raised to the power n minus 1 all over R minus 1. Why are we using it? We use this formula because the ratio R is more than 1. So please take note. We have another formula when the ratio is less than 1 and you are finding the sum, it is different. It is different. So take note and you can ask me on the comment section, or if you know that formula, put the answer at the comment section. Now let's do our substitution. So we can move on to have the sum of 4 is equal to 2, which is our A, into bracket R. What is our R? 3 raised to the power 4 minus 1. Okay, all over R, which is 3 minus 1. Now let's move on. So we have 2 and then 3 raised to the power 4 will give you 80. 1 minus 1 over 3 minus 1, which is 2. Yes. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Moving forward, we have 2 into bracket 80 divided by 2. I guess you can get your answer. You cancel out and our answer is 80. And bravo, our answer is A. Now let's move on to the next question. Now, which of the following is the solution to the inequality 2x plus 3 greater than 11? I know this question. You can pause and try your hands on this. These are some of the bonus questions that you see. You try as much as possible to grab it and get your mark. So we have 2x plus 3 greater than 11. Let's make x the subject by moving the side. We have 2x greater than 11 minus 3. What is 11 minus 3? We have 2x greater than 8. We're dividing both sides by 2. So x is greater than 4. And our answer is A. Wow, the answers are rhyming. Now let's look at the last question. This is where some students also struggle, especially questions under binomial expansion. But I believe that this question has a very simple formula. Take your time, listen carefully, and then you get a formula and you'll be easy to go. Now we have to find the coefficient of x raised to the power 3 in the expansion 2x plus 1 raised to the power 5. In this case, let me teach you a simple formula. We use n combination r, then we have a raised to the power n minus r, and then x raised to the power r. This is the formula that most of the students or most of us use to make it very simple for you to simplify. Now, we are going to substitute values in it. In this case, let's name the part. Now the value with the s is called the x, and then the value without the x is your a, and then our 5 is our n, and then the value squared is our r. So our r is 3. So r is equal to 3. Let's do the substitution. So we have 5 combination r, which is 3. 5 combination r is 3. And then our a is 1. So 1 raised to the power our n, that is 5 minus 3. And then our x, the whole x value is the 2x. So we write the 2x. Don't forget to write all the 2x raised to the power 3, our r. So here, let's move on. Now from here, 5 combination 3, when you point it on your calculator, will give you 10. Multiplying 1 raised to the power 5 minus 2 will give you 1 raised to the power 2. Remember, when you have 2 raised to the power 2x all raised to the power 3, the 3 is affecting 2. At the same time, the x, so 2 raised to the power 3 will give you 8, and then we have our x cubed. Simplifying, everything will give you 80x cubed. Now, what's the coefficient of x cubed? That is 40, and our answer is C. Please subscribe for more questions. Thank you.